Hey guys, it's your Boholana girl Tienne, and today I am finally back and I'm going to review something new for you guys. Sorry about it, my awkward look right now. I'm still doing my makeup, you know. So something came in the mail 2 weeks ago. I know it's been quite long. I haven't been home for quite a while, so I am really sorry about that. But since I'm home, I can finally try this out. Honestly, I haven't touched this, so this came in the mail 2 weeks ago. This is the 16 eye magazine. This is the dual eyeshadow that has been going around on the internet, and if you guys are curious, or if you guys are still curious like I am, then watch till the end to know my thoughts. It comes in a plastic wrapper, and then you get this packaging. So it's like a cardboard cutout thingy, but it's actually pretty cute. And when you open it up, it looks like this. So it kind of looks like a PR package. It retails for 599 pesos, but since sale yun ang nakuha ko siya, I bought it for 229. Okay, so this is cardboard. You can open this up. There's nothing inside here. So let's start with I'm starting off with the packaging. Honestly, for 599 pesos, I don't really think that's worth the price. Because let's be honest, you saw me review this yo-yo, so I love the packaging. It's not as sturdy as I want it to be, but it's good, and it's 199 pesos. So I'm not sure if same price point lahat, since of course might not be fake, and you have to be sure if what you bought is original. So I got it from EF Fashion. I'll just put the link on the description box so you can know where I got it. And then here we have the instructions. This is all in Korean. Thank God I can read Korean. I believe there's only one style or like one shade range. Apparently, too bad. But the packaging itself, I kind of like how it looks like a PR box, but like it's literally not a whole of my face. Of course, it's quite small. And then you can get the product here, and this is how the product looks. Literally just like this part of my hand. Oop. That's how small it is. So there's no name what this is. It's just the 16 brand. Right, so this is plastic, really plasticky. So for 599 pesos, I'm not sure if this packaging is worth the price. And then when you open it up, you open it like this. Very, I don't want to say it, but I have to. It kind of feels cheap. How many grams do I get? You get 2.5 grams. Jeez, my 199 pesos na eyeshadow, I get like 8 grams, and this is like 2.5 grams. That's the brush. I kind of expected it to be bigger. It's like my thumb. But the quality is what we are gonna check here. Always remember kung saan nyo linagay ang upper shade and lower shade where di kayo mawala. Just gonna swipe it like that 2 times just to go. Hello? Alright. I'm digging in. I really am digging in. This is there is product coming off, but I have no idea what's not coming. So it's not on brush. Alright, so that's all I can get. This is annoying, honestly. Oh, it's actually there. Can you guys see that? It's there. Kind of leave a square shape, so let's just blend that all out. Guys, I don't know. I'm not sure if I like it. I have a dilemma here. Right, so I'm back. I finished the rest of my makeup and it is time to know my thoughts about this product. So 599 pesos. Is it worth the price? No, honestly no. Does it work? Yeah, it does. I mean, can you like see that? If you aren't, then let me tell you, it works. It actually looks okay in person if you're more on the smoky side, or I think it really depends on how much product you get on the brush, since the pan is actually bigger than the brush, so you need to manipulate the brush. So do I recommend it? I don't really recommend this. It's at a high price point. You actually expect a good quality. 599 pesos, what can you buy from that? You can nearly buy a iMovie eyeshadow quad for 300 pesos. You get Yo-Yo, so you get this for 199 pesos, and this is like my everyday, my go-to eyeshadow. I just use this for a daily eyeshadow and it works perfectly. It's pigmented and it's only 199 pesos. Here you get this for 599 pesos. If it's sale, you can get it at 229 or 250. Some sells this for 1,000, and that's guys, that's just a high price point for something that you don't really need. So is it a Tienne approved, or I can say it's safe? It works. Okay, I don't mean any shame, but I don't really like it in a sense, since I have better eyeshadows. I've used better eyeshadows. There's just so much. There's so much things going on. There's so many things going on at the cosmetic industry, and you can get a lot of better things at a lower price point, which gives you actually the best quality or the good quality, and you also get the same price point for a bigger and a better quality. So if I were, so my verdict about this product is I don't recommend it. Not really. For all of you guys who's watching me asking if I highly approve it or is it worth the hype, no, it's not. If you want a good eyeshadow, I suggest you just use the drugstore eyeshadows, since it's affordable and it gives off the pigmentation and the quality that you would really like. For an easy go-to eyeshadow, why not Yo-Yo? So for 199 pesos, not for this. I know it's dual, but the dark color is more like overpowering the, what is this color anyway? Like the copper shade is overpowering the copper shade, so I'm not really sold into that. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video and I hope this was helpful. If you did like it, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you'll be part of the fam, and click the bell button so you'll be notified every time I have a new video. Also, so I will see you guys on my next video, and always remember that every day is a day to slay. Bye!